Just make the right turn, then make the first left that goes alongside this street. And I'm blocking the intersection, am I? Bobby. Oh, no, you're not. Oh, my God. You're not getting ahead of me, dude. I've been sitting in traffic way too fucking long. You're not getting ahead of me. Shit, there's oncoming traffic. I'm a pussy.
Phase 2 of the 2nd Avenue subway and other transit projects are on the chopping block. I'm Paul Murnane in East Harlem.
United becomes the latest airline to ban the boat.
Was that no turn on red, that white truck? Turn signal? Anything? You're riding across both lanes. Oh, red light runner. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? Of course. You had to make a right turn, so of course you came up with the logical decision to be in the left lane. That is brilliant. Yeah, thank you for using your turn signal. I really appreciated that.
Decided to come up a son of a bitch. I've never been in one.
No trailers in the left lane, dude. Signal.
I like it. It turns me on. That's what I like now. I like women. Girls, I'm done. Long time ago. 22-year-old girls, God bless you. Go do a shot. Whatever the fuck you do with your time. Woo!
Signal or indicator would have been nice.
I like women.
Truck in the left lane. Took the right away from that car. What the hell was that?
Over the line!
Oh, what are you doing?
Around the freezing mark today. Snow developing.
Oh, come on.
And it should be snowing most places for the evening commute. Snow tonight in the coast, but north and west.
And not quite get the lane correct, I guess.
For the north and west.
Yeah, he cut the corner really badly. Oh my God! Keep going! The light's green, keep going!
Use it on you. Politicians have traditionally hidden behind three things: the flag, the Bible, and children. No child left behind. No child left behind. Oh, really? About all the news and information you get to hear. They got you by the balls.
And he enters in do not enter road. What the hell? Come on. No turn on red.
At LaGuardia Airport, right into a fence. No reports of injuries, and passengers have been walking off the plane. One of the 125 passengers, how long it's going to take to do that investigation and get the plane out of there.
Well, the easiest part, if you will, is going.
Where'd that white car come from? I think he came from the left turn lane. If someone were to rear end you, you won't see it coming. That's just ultimate fail. The hell was that? Why are you stopping? Oh, you got plenty of room to go by, dude. Come on. Oh my God.
And
It's just gay men who have it, and it's not. It's,
oh, he should have shoulder checked.
It's like you've never heard any.
Why? What's he doing? Cross solid line. There's one. That BMW douchebag. Car right in front of me. Okay, we got several people doing it today. Of course, you had to wait until now to move over to the right.
Are you being audited? And do you owe the IRS $10,000 or more in back taxes?
Slow way the fuck down.
Threatening to take.
Yeah, talk about last second. And probably cut someone off and piss them off. Oh, they almost merged into each other, that black car and that school bus thing. Oh. Wow. Did that just happen? Yeah, he just rolled through that stop sign, dude. And I have no stop sign. What the hell? Come on, I need that left lane. What are you doing?
First round of the NCAA's, or what they call the first four, takes place Tuesday, then Thursday and Friday is the first round of 4 games. Their first full round.
You gotta be kidding me.
To get an invite to the big dance, but last night their dancing shoes were like
school bus of all
losing in
things.
the quarterfinals of the Big East tournament to Providence 74-56.
Bunch of red light runners. Okay, what are you doing? Are you just sitting there? What are you doing? And of course he just took that cars right away. Did not even attempt to stop.
15 and 45 past the hour. Live at the Poquonock Group Sports Desk, I'm Tom Stevens. WCBS 80.
Come on, there's a sidewalk. Now you're gonna make me miss the light. So for the record, I'm stuck in a red light. I'm halfway between the left-hand turn and the right turn lane when I want to go straight. All because of some jackass who can't use a sidewalk.
Money, a lot of it is in the base salaries for the first 2 years, not so much in a signing bonus, which then gets spread out over the course of the contract. So a lot of these deals, when you look at them, could be 1, 2, maybe 3 years. It is easy
Dual turn
to get out of it on the back end.
Program evaluates and targets each person's individual needs and balances your hormones, allowing you to burn fat and keep it up.
There's no stop here. At least you don't have one. I do, and you were here first, so you get to go. That's pretty damn close. Oh man, look. If the light turned green a few seconds ago, that means they definitely have a red arrow up there. Come on. Red light, come on, man.
John pretty much gets the same job done.
Oh, that left turn got...
me they are.
Wow.
Yeah, no. Those are your shoes. They have to be. Who are you?
The fuck? Wow.
Let me see some ID.
Can I have a lane, please? Something's up there. Oh man, the parking lot's loaded. And you're making a left from the left turn lane, aren't you? Well, left.
I've got magic.
You go from the on-ramp straight to the left lane where you can't be.
Heroin is the biggest way. Here's my impression of being on heroin. Here it is. Ready? Pretty much it.
He was slowing down, and then he sped up his. Merging left with the right blinker on. And that guy just rolled through the stop sign. Red light runner. The hell was that? That's the right turn from the left-hand turn lane. What the hell?
Yeah, for people, okay. For those of you who haven't, let me take you through the process. I love dogs. I have 4 dogs.
Sitting in traffic
My kids love
texting.
dogs. I'm a dog owner. I just thought it was going to...
That's illegal what that truck did. Two cars ran the red light. Are you just sitting at the green light? What are you doing? Even the guy in front of me is not knowing what's going on. That's funny. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck are you doing?
Cold tonight and tomorrow. I'm Craig Allen in the WCBS Weather Center. More technology. Lows 15 to 25. Maybe a fast.
Oh, come on, people. Let's...
Sunny, windy, and cold day Wednesday as we stay in the 30s all day.
Oh, basically the car in the right lane one merged left, but the left lane guy didn't let him.